Hello, friends. Today we are going to discuss a very controversial and very important topic. Cholesterol. Is it your friend or foe? Dr. David Perlmutter, a neurologist, says two forms of fat that are vitally important for brain health are cholesterol and saturated fat. This is what says about the importance of cholesterol. I am Dr. Jagajit Singh Virk, MBBS, FCG, PFA, MS, PG, DGM. What is cholesterol? Cholesterol is a waxy fat-like substance that's found in all cells, all the cells of our body. Your body needs some cholesterol to make hormones, vitamins like vitamin D, and substances that help you digest foods in bile salts and bile acids. Your body makes all the cholesterol it needs. Even if you don't give it from outside, your body makes it for your needs. Cholesterol is also found in foods from animal sources, such as egg yolks, meat, and cheese. It is not found in plant sources. What are HDL, LDL, and VLDL? HDL, high density lipoprotein, LDL, low density lipoprotein, and VLDL, very low density lipoproteins, are all lipoproteins. They are a combination of fat, that is lipid, and protein. That's why these are called lipoproteins. The lipids need to be attached to the proteins so they can move through the blood. Otherwise, lipids are not soluble in the watery blood. Different types of lipoproteins have different purposes for the body. What causes high cholesterol? Age. As we age, there is high chances of getting higher values of cholesterol in us. Heredity. In certain persons, it all depends upon their parentage, their genes, weight. If you have high weight, heavier weight, then you may have high cholesterol. Race, certain races have higher levels of cholesterol. Unhealthy eating habits. Those are also contributing to the high levels of cholesterol. Lack of physical inactivity is another factor which produces high cholesterol levels. Smoking is another factor with which there is high cholesterol levels in the body. The normal cholesterol levels and dangerous cholesterol levels are like, if the total cholesterol is more than 240 and the LDL cholesterol is more than 160 and the high density lipoprotein cholesterol is under 40 in males and under 50 in females, that is dangerous. total cholesterol between 200 and 239 is at risk. And LDL between 100 to 159 is at risk. HDL cholesterol, if it is 40 to 59 in males and 50 to 59 in females, it is at risk. The cholesterol level under 200 is healthy. LDL cholesterol under 100 is also healthy. And HDL cholesterol above 60 is healthy. The functions of cholesterol in the body. It acts as an antioxidant. That's why when there are certain challenges to the body, to overcome those challenges, our body produces cholesterol for our benefit. It is a sort of army or defense system of our body. It strengthens our immune system also. It helps hormone production like sex hormones, our stress hormones, our vitamin D. All these are produced by cholesterol. This is the basic molecule from which all these hormones are produced. It also helps in proper digestion of the system, our food, because it is the major source of our bile salts and bile acids. Our food is digested with the help of bile. Moreover, this is a building block of every cell of our body. All the membranes of our cells are made up of cholesterol. There are so many other functions of this cholesterol. How important it is. It's not our foe. It's very, very important for our body. God is not mad that he's producing cholesterol for wrong reasons. There is definite some beneficial effects of cholesterol in our body. That is why about 2 grams of cholesterol is produced every day in our body. This is very, very essential molecule in our body. So we should respect it. What causes high cholesterol? All those conditions which are challenging our body produce high cholesterol levels so that it could prevent us from damage. It could treat us from that damage. It could help us from our damage. That is in diabetes, liver or kidney disease, polycystic ovary syndrome, pregnancy and other conditions that increase levels of female hormones, underactive thyroid gland or hypothyroidism. There are drugs that increase the LDL, low density lipoprotein cholesterol, and decrease high density lipoprotein cholesterol, such as progestins, anabolic steroids, and corticosteroids. How to lower risk of high cholesterol? Add more exercise to your daily routine. Avoid smoking, which is challenging to our body, and all tobacco products. Keep a weight that's healthy for you. Learn how food impacts your cholesterol and start with small changes to your diet, because a bad diet will definitely increase your cholesterol. Whenever you will eat bad diet, wrong foods, there is definite production of cholesterol in your body to protect you from that bad food. Manage high blood pressure and high blood sugar. These will also stress you on your body, and your body will try to make more cholesterol to prevent their bad effects on you. Learn new strategies for dealing with stress, because when you are under stress, you are making more free radicals, and there ought to be high cholesterol levels to keep those in check, because cholesterol is also antioxidant. And take your medications as prescribed, not to lower your cholesterol, but to help your cholesterol to cope up with your bad habits and bad challenges. Foods that lower cholesterol: oats, barley and whole grains, beans, eggplant and okra, nuts, vegetable oils. These canola and sunflower, I won't recommend those. These are refined oils, and refined oils will definitely give you free radicals. Fruits, mainly apples, grapes, strawberries, and citrus. Soy and soy-based foods. Fatty fish, particularly salmon, tuna, and sardines. All those foods which are rich in fiber, they lower cholesterol. Foods bad for cholesterol levels: red meat, full fat dairy, margarine, hydrogenated oils, and baked goods. All these foods are making you more free radicals in your body. Study says there is no link between cholesterol and heart disease. Controversial report claims there is no link between bad cholesterol and heart disease. The Daily Mail reports, while the Times states bad cholesterol helps you live longer. The headlines are based on a new review which aimed to gather evidence from previous observational studies on whether LDL cholesterol, so-called bad cholesterol, was linked with mortality in older adults aged over 60. The conventional view is that having high LDL cholesterol levels increases your risk of dying of cardiovascular diseases such as heart disease. Researchers chose 30 studies in total to analyze. 28 studies looked at the link with death from any cause. 12 found no link between LDL and mortality. But 16 actually found that lower LDL was linked with higher mortality risk, the opposite to what was expected from the researchers. Cholesterol and heart attack. Here I'll give you a simile of a garden hose pipe which you have in your garden, and when it crosses the road or street or a path, vehicles pass over it, and this hose pipe is damaged. It starts leaking. In this way, we have the coronary arteries in our heart. All the time our heart pumps. It is continuously under pressure due to systole and diastole. There are damage and continuous repaired if there is enough vitamin C in your body. The elastin and your elasticity and the construction of your vessels is such that there is no damage from this constriction and relaxation. But when the vitamin C is deficient, the elasticity of your vessels is imperfect. And when these are damaged with the continuous pressure on their walls, then these vessels are damaged. There is every chance that they will leak and give you a disaster. But God has given us a second line of defense to protect that leakage so that we may not have a disastrous result. And here comes the role of cholesterol. It is our second line of defense. This cholesterol plasters the inner damaged part of the vessels and seal it. And that's, well, up to this point, nothing untoward happens. Cholesterol has done its role. Now, if you have plenty of free radicals in your body, the cause may be any, like you are under stress, you drink a lot, you smoke many cigarettes, or you take a fast food daily, or you are having infections in your body, you have processed food intake, there is deficiency of nutrients in your body, or you lack exercise, normal exercise, always sedentary habits, or indulging in hard exercise to give you stress, you are obese, you are diabetic, you are overweight, or you are in the old age stage, or certain post-menopausal ladies. All these factors contribute to your getting heart attack due to the free radicals all these causes produce in your body. Those free radicals oxidize the plastered cholesterol. God has protected you from getting leakage from your vessels. But these radicals, these free radicals produced by you from all the wrong reasons, oxidize those cholesterol molecules on this Oxidized cholesterol produces inflammation in the arteries. All types of inflammatory material collected at the site. All the cells, inflammatory cytokines, inflammatory cells, and all these inflammatory material is collected at the site. A plaque is formed. That plaque becomes the reason for heart attack. Primarily, it was not the cholesterol. It was the reasons behind those free radicals which gave you the heart attack. The real reason is not cholesterol, but the bad habits which produced the free radicals. And this applies to all the vessels, not only to the heart vessels, but all the vessels in the body, and give you stroke or peripheral artery disease as well. How you can prevent the heart attack? Take the regular doses of vitamin C so that your vessels are elastic, firm, and not vulnerable to damage. There shouldn't be any deficiency of it. You should adopt healthy lifestyle to prevent formation of these free radicals in your body. You should stop smoking. The drinking should be moderate. There shouldn't be any processed or packaged food in your daily routine. You should do regular exercise. You should have a stress-free life. You should have the mindful actions. You should have sound sleep. And there should be weight management, and you shouldn't be obese. All these factors prevent you from getting free radicals, which are the main cause of your heart attack. It's not the cholesterol. So we conclude that cholesterol is not bad. Cholesterol is not our foe. It's our friend. It helps us to get our life easy, and it prolongs our life. We have seen those getting cholesterol lowering medicines, they lower their chances of longer life. So it was all about our this session. Thank you very much.